Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel India Gate. This is Nani Sharma and in this session of TOC, we talk about regular grammar and linear grammar with example. So, before starting of this video, if you are watching first time my video, so please subscribe and click on bell icon for all notification of my videos. So, let's start. What is regular grammar? In previous session we also talk about in Chomsky hierarchy about regular grammar. So a regular grammar is arise from regular language and it is your type 3 grammar which is accepted by your finite automata. The production rule of the regular grammar is XB or BX or X, where X belong to your input string or alphabet and AB belong to your set of variable V. Now comes to the linear grammar. So, linear grammar is divided into two parts. First one is left linear, second one is right linear. The production rule for left linear is L produce BX or X. Here, V is left hand side of the terminal. So, it is called left linear grammar. And now move on. Right linear grammar. Here, production rule is A produce A X B or X. Here B is the right hand side of the terminal, so it is called your right linear grammar. So in short, we say that the linear grammar is called when left hand side exactly one variable and right hand side almost one variable, so it is called your linear grammar. And any regular grammar is your linear grammar because regular grammar is subset of linear grammar, but linear grammar need not be regular grammar. Yes, because here from transition diagram in the hierarchy of the grammar we can move from bottom to top in means regular grammar to top above all type of grammar, because regular, if any grammar is regular, so it is also contain all type of grammar like your linear grammar, context free grammar, context sensitive grammar and recursive grammar. But in the vice versa we say that it is your grammar, regular grammar, linear, context sensitive and so on. So we say that hence we say that linear grammar not need to be regular grammar. Now move on some important questions from this example. Here transition diagram is given for regular expression, so we find the regular grammar. So we know that G is your grammar, where V, T, P, S is your tuples, where V is also called your number of state and number of state is your A, B, C, D according to this transition diagram, and terminals are 0, 1, and we can say that A is your starting symbol because A is your initial state, and then we got the productions from A. When we give 0, it goes to state B and B is your final state. So we say that the value and production of A produce 0B and 1D when we give one input string from A to D, and 0 because it is goes to your final state, so we say that it is also contains 0. Now move on second production B. From B we see that when we give 0 it goes to D state, so we write here 0D, and when we give 1 input symbol, so it is goes to C state, so it is here write the 1C. Now move on third C production. C produce 0, B, 1D and 0 because when we give 0 input from C state, it goes to final state, means it is accept 0 as well as combination of 0 and 1. So we write the production rule for C, and when we goes to D, it produce 0, 1 self-containing loop. So D contains 0, D and 1D. Now move on next question for more clarification of this type of questions. Here transition diagram is given and the variables are Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay, and terminals are A, B. Here Q1 is your initial state, so we say that the starting symbol is your Q1. And now move on what is productions according to this transition diagram. So here production like from Q1 and initial state, when we give A it goes to Q3, and when we give B it goes to Q2 state, so it is right here as like this. And when we from Q2 to Q3 state, and when we give B it goes to Q4 state, so we say that here Q4 is your final state, so it is accept only B string also and V alphabet also as a input, so it is right here as that. And come to the Q3 state, when we give A it goes to Q4 state, means it accept A individually as well, combination of A and Q4 also. And when we give B it goes to Q2 state, so the production of Q3 like B Q2 or A Q4 or A. Come to the Q4 state. Here when we give A and B, so we got A Q4, B Q4 or A or B, because Q4 is your final state, so it individually contains A, B and also combination of A, B. Now move on next question. How many maximum number of productions are possible in the regular grammar equivalent to given an state DFA over the input alphabet A, B, C, where Q1 is your always initial state? So we come to the solution. Here phi is your set of variable, and according to question here is set of variable is n times, and terminals is your A, B, C, and S is your starting symbol, means Q1 is your initial state. Now total number of final state is 6 and plus 1 including epsilon, because initial state is final state also. Now move on next question. Number of state following regular grammar. So here grammar is given as produce as or ba or b. A produce small a or b s or a. So in the right hand side a b are present, so we can create a finite automata. Yes, of course we can create a finite automata. How? From we now S1 state is your initial state. When we give A, it goes to S, means it contains self loop, and when we give V, it goes to A state, which is your final. How final? Because here B is individually written. Okay. Also we come to the state A. When we give A, it goes to itself, means self-containing loop, and when we give V, it goes to S, and also we say that it also contains A because it is your final state. So here total number of state in regular grammar is S and B, means 2 is the right answer. Now move on, next question. Here S produce B, capital B, B produce BC or AB or B, C produce AC or A. Means this is not possible. Because why it is not possible? While converting, NFA always take a new state. Truly. Only right hand linear grammar is not possible, because here we see that B is the right hand side of terminals, C is also right side of terminals, and C is also right type of the terminals in the given production. So after the drawing this grammar, we got this transition diagram. So here S is your initial state, and B, when we give B from, it goes to B, and when we give A, it goes to A itself from here, and when we give V, it goes to C state. But here B is your also a C is your final state, because sorry, I have not mentioned the clearly diagram here. B is your also final, C is your also final state, because here C contains individual B as also with V. And come to this C, when we give A, it goes to A, and it contains also A, like this. Not this diagram is work. I create a diagram for this grammar, and total number of possible states are, sorry, S is your initial state, come to the B, it is your final A state, and B, and come to this C, this is your final state as A. But it is not your TFA, because yes, this is correct, because it not contains all the terminals A and B from S to C. Now move on, next question. Here S is given. Production rules: S produce AA, A produce ABS or B. So the transition diagram of this question like this. Now move on, next question. A produce, S produce 1S or 0. So firstly we draw this type of diagrams, but this is false. Why? Because here for the right linear grammar, first reverse the grammar, create the finite automata, then reverse the finite automata, because it is from your linear grammar. So hence we create like this. Firstly we convert the grammar like 1 as or 0, then we create a finite automata. So we got this transition diagram, and also reverse this transition diagram means the initial state is your final state and final state is your initial state, and changing the position of the arrow. Now move on next question. The language given by the following grammar. So here the grammar is given as produce B S A or A. A produce B A or A B or A. B produce B A H and B. So here total number of A is not be divisible by B, because after the drawing this transition diagram from production rules, so we got this means when we give B it come to S. So where I write like this, draw this, and when we give A it goes to A, and A is also individually given. So it is, so we consider that A is your final state. And when we come to the A production rule, when we give B it goes to A means it create self loop, and when we give A it goes to B, and B is also given individual and A is also given individually. So we say that B is also your final state. And come to the B production, when we give V it comes to B because also it mentioned on their side, and when we give A it goes to where S state, initial state. So we say that according to this grammar, the language is expressed that the number of A is not divisible by B, because here if the A is divisible by B, so A and B is not your final state. S is your final state becomes. So we say that it is not divisible by 3. Now, and here I hope you understand all the points. Thank you. Have a nice day.